My safe's dark.
Want to see me light up your safe?
It's okay, Jake. I got this. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today, as promised, if you just watched my last video, I did the little pistol safe and put a light kit inside of it and stuff. Man, turned out nice. If you haven't seen that yet, you need to go check it out. So today's video is going to be the video of putting the light kit in the bigger safe. Before we get into any more stuff, I want to do some pre-shots, some shots of what the safe looks like with no light on. And now the bigger safe is frustrating because even if the room is lit, when you go in there and you open it up, you can't find what you're looking for. It's dark, you gotta get a flashlight, and I couldn't even imagine if I needed to get in there in an emergency situation. All right, let's try opening it up with the light on. You can see it's so dark that the camera can't even focus. It's just too dark and the lights are on. So literally, I don't know why I'm even showing you this. This is with the lights off. Can't see anything. When I hit the little button, I can put in my code here. So hold on a second. And open the safe. The safe's there somewhere, I promise. So it's time for a light kit. Now, here's the one I went with and why I went with it. On Amazon for about a year, I've watched the KEH Controls light kit, and it ran about $47. I was like, eh. Now I have people all the time that come to my email and they come to my channel and they say, hey, here we take the free stuff, we do videos on it, you want this stuff. I'm not selling out and taking some cheap stuff and doing that. Now, the reason this kit stuck out to me is because it's American owned, number one. Number two, they took their price way down. The product is the KEH Controls Gun Safe Light Kit. I'll put a little link of it here on Amazon. Alrighty, it is a 12-foot kit and it comes neither white or black. In the previous video, you'll notice I accidentally bought white because I didn't pay attention. This one, I've got the black one. Was $47, it's now $25. $25! Newer version of it they dropped only has 59 reviews right now, but sits at 4.7 out of 5 stars. Now just real quick, there is one more thing I want to show you before we get into the safe and all that. There's one more accessory you might want to check out. It is called, wrote it down, made sure I got it right for you. It's called the Mag Storage Solutions. Check this out. If you have AR-15s, AR-10, AK-47s, whatever, you got these big mags and stuff. I've got my mags in my safe, but I can't keep them all in there. It'd take up all the room. If you need some quick access, let me go grab it and show it to you. This thing's $40. You're gonna love it. 1 second. You ready for this? Oh, isn't she a beauty? Oh yeah. Look at that. Sick. Your mags get right in there. And look, you can take this thing, you can mount it on a wall. You can screw it to a wall. You can sit it on top of your safe, in your safe, whatever. But the best part is, it's got these high powerful magnets right here. You can stick it right on the side or even the inside door, the back side of your safe, inside, outside, whatever you want. These are must have. This thing here has 40 round AR-15 loaded with 5.56. And the weight of this, I had it stuck to my safe for about a year. Never slipped an inch. Amazing. 5 million stars. Amazing. Awesome. Cool. You need it. Now the thing is, I've got a little kid running around, so I moved it to the top of the safe and set it on the safe until she gets big enough to know not to touch that. My safe is lined with carpet, so they give you a 3M strip. I'm gonna put the Velcro on the back of that. Then I'm gonna pull this out. It's gonna be a little bit of a tedious job. Take off this 3M tape off the back. I'm gonna cut this into little strips and put Velcro right on the back side of that. I think we ought to enjoy us a little beverage. I have no camera light effects on in here. I'm just gonna go in, install this thing real quick, and then we're gonna retest it out. The light kit is in. We'll go back and we'll try to open it up into pitch black, see what it looks like, and then we'll open it up with the lights on, see what that looks like. It's dark in here. I got a little bit of light on in there so I don't bust my freaking cranium on the way over there. So I'm gonna open it up, see if it recognizes me, and we'll see what it looks like from a distance. Then I'll show you close up, and then we'll do it with the light on. See the kind of differences we got. Here we go. Woo! Phenomenal. Pitch black, it doesn't know where to zoom. And then there's the safe, there's the difference. Perfect. I love it. You can see the lights in there. Just stuck all the way around. Very nice. Great product. And then lastly, with the light on, all the lights on and stuff. You can see the same result. It's just perfect, it's lit, it's awesome. Yeah, game changer. Absolute game changer. So this is the reason I made the video, for such an easy product to install. I just want people to know it exists, and you absolutely have to get you one. That kind of backlights on the pistols and stuff. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Good to go. There you go. There you have it. I mean, $25. $25. If you've got somebody you want to buy a gift for, like a birthday, a stocking stuffer, or whatever, $25. Oh. A lot of these older generation, they don't know how to get in online, look online, buy stuff online, and this technology. They go into these stores and they just don't have access to this kind of stuff. Help them out. Get it for them. Show it to them. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. I also want to remind you I've got all kinds of videos on here. If you like this kind of stuff, there's plenty that pertain to it. If not, check out the other stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.